Hi, good morning everyone. Today is 16th of May 2017. Hi, good morning. Today is 16th of May 2017 और आज निफ्टी ने गैप अप ओपनिंग की है. Can you see this big candle that was formed with huge volumes? RSI and MACD all crossed over and a quite bullish sign. Of course, after the initial start, like it went from 9458 से लेके 9 अबाउट गुड 40 पॉइंट्स इसने ऊपर लगाए हैं और उसके बाद थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आई है. एंड नाउ अगेन इट लुक्स वेरी बुलिश, वेरी वेरी बुलिश राइट नाउ. एंड व्हाई एम आई सेइंग सो, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इसके लिए इचिमोकू का भी हेल्प लूंगी और उससे फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. As far as our old parameters are concerned, there are no signs for it to go down. If you look into the RSI is at 68 point something. MACD is also ऊपर से नीचे क्रॉस हो रही है बट नहीं भी हो रही है, दोनों चीजें हैं. सी हियर नीचे जाके थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ टर्न लेने की कोशिश कर रही है. एंड द थर्ड थिंग दैट इज वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट निफ्टी इज दैट इट हैड मच हायर वॉल्यूम्स टुडे. एंड लास्ट के 1 आवर में भी, हाफ एन आवर में भी कल बहुत अच्छी सी परचेज आई है निफ्टी में. उसके बाद आज जब ओपन हुआ देन अगेन देयर वाज ह्यूज वॉल्यूम्स दैट यू सॉ, राइट. All these are indicators which are basically telling me that the Nifty is planning to be in the uptrend for a while, right? Now let me just explain you कि हमने जो अपना ट्रेंड शुरू किया था उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. So before I go on to that, I want to show you a few stocks, how nicely they are going up. One of them is Tata Motors. See, this is the run up that it has taken up today. And TCS has done really really well. Dr. Reddy has done well. This is TCS. And then you have TVS Motors have done really well. And one stock that I had given you, Varun Beverages, that is also doing pretty good today, right? It's in the uptrend. The members who are in my webinar, they have found this Tamil Nadu printing press, right? And I want to show you how beautiful its graph is, right? Let me show you here. And they have identified it. And we discussed it yesterday again. See, this is how it has taken up run up. We identified it about say around 3rd or 4th of May. 3rd और 4th ऑफ मई मेरा एक कंसर्न था इस स्टॉक को लेके कि ये बिलो 10 मूविंग एवरेज था, बिलो 200 मूविंग एवरेज था, बिलो ऑल द एवरेजेस था. कैंडल्स वर रेड बट we somehow forgot to keep it on our radar. But a day or 3 days back when we saw it has made these two candles, and then it looks so much more promising. I mean, I just neglected the stock by looking at its downward trend. But since we have done the identification, after these two candles only we could identify, and it has given a run up from 323 to 356. About good 30 points it has already given. Okay, this is its run up today. So this is what members are doing. They are identifying such trades. They have also identified NR bearings. This is NR bearings 1-day graph. Can you see these two candles that have been made up? We discussed it the day before. और कल और आज में इसने ये रन अप दिया है. और एक जो स्टॉक मैंने कल निकाला है रात में बैठ के, that was Gravitas. It is this Gravita का आज का रन अप ये है. And I felt very good, but only thing that's keeping me away from the market right now is the extreme peak that market is at right now. That is what is scaring me, because I want to be 100% certain that market is in the bull run and I should ride the wagon right now. ठीक है, तो वो मुझे थोड़ा सा दूर रख रहा है, नहीं तो I would do all these trades that I'm discussing with you right now. Now there's one more stock that I was thinking about was Dalmia Bharat, which I told around 19th of April the members in webinar have identified. It was at 1900 at that time. I mean, I'll show you what was the day. It was 1900 around at around that time. Somewhere here around. This is 13th of March, April. This was the day. ये जगह थी 2000 पे था. और आज कितने ट्रेडिंग सेशंस हुए हैं? 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th was a Monday, 24th was a Monday, 24th से लेके अभी तक करीब 4 हफ्ते हुए हैं, तो अराउंड 20, not even 20 trading sessions, around 20 trading sessions में it has given you good 20% return, not 20, 25% return or more than that. What a beautiful run up, right? These are the kind of stock you will identify, and these are the kind of stocks we will be investing in, right? And that is how, that is what my, webinar is going to do. Teach you exactly, how to identify such stocks which are about to have a breakout and invest in them. Okay? So this is how, you've seen, these are not my stocks. My stocks were, I told you, Philip Carbon was my stock. Flip Carbon was my stock. आज ये थोड़ा डाउन है, कल it has given a good run up. कल तो अच्छे से ऊपर गया था, आज ये थोड़ा सा डाउन है. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Good stocks थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है. Profit booking आएगी, कभी buying आएगी, कभी profit. But the only thing is that it should trickle up only, not trickle down. That's the only thing. So now I want to quickly look into Nifty again, and Nifty is again showing a very massive uptrend, and I want to continue with my Ichimoku and Heiken Ashi. So I made yesterday Heiken Ashi video, and I think all of you really appreciated. I want to continue with that, so I have made already Heiken Ashi here. I have put it in my template. So this is Heiken Ashi. I'm going to apply with this Ichimoku, right? So let's go to the Ichimoku cloud, and I'm going to remove this lagging line, and I'm going to, as you all have suggested, make it white. So I'm going to make it white, all these lines, and I don't want this line. This will disappear by itself because I'm not having the lagging span period. Okay, now I'm done. This is what I get, right? Out of this also I'm going to remove this 50 moving average and 200 moving average. So I'll go to study, and I'm going to remove these averages also. Right? Now, what is that I'm left with is this neat and clean graph. This is Nifty's graph. Can you see how beautiful it is? अब इसमें आपको क्या है? Why am I saying I would prefer this a bit more? This cloud basically gives you an insight what's going to happen in the future. And future looks bright. Can you see this green portion? Means future is bright. In the sense Nifty is planning to go up. Right? So, although it has traveled a long distance, and right now we are at, in futures we are at 9485. Let me see what's happening in the current value. Current price is 94752. There is a gap of about 9, a premium of about 9 points. So we are right there to approach 9500, and it looks bright to me. अब हम इसको कैसे ट्रेड करेंगे? Let me explain you. Heiken Ashi लगा रखी है मैंने कैंडल्स. तो सबसे पहले हमारा RSI MACD आप देखोगे, राइट? RSI ये MACD क्रॉसओवर है नीचे से ऊपर, RSI क्रॉसओवर हो रहा है, कैंडल्स ऊपर जा रही हैं. सो यू नो कि 9316 से अगर कैंडल्स चलेंगी तो इसको एक रेजिस्टेंस जो आएगा पहला वाला 9352 पे आएगा. ठीक है, तो इट डिड एक्सपीरियंस रेजिस्टेंस, उसके बाद रेजिस्टेंस एक्सपीरियंस करके थोड़ा नीचे आ गया, फिर क्लाउड के लोअर पार्ट से इसने सपोर्ट लिया, और फिर इतने दिन यहाँ पे ये 1 आवर का ग्राफ है. We'll have to follow 15 minutes graph. For Nifty, we will follow 15 minutes graph. Right? So, here, let's take up anything. For example, here, यहाँ पे देखते हैं. जैसे RSI MACD क्रॉस हुआ, कैंडल्स ने इस 10 मूविंग एवरेज को छोड़ दिया. We can short it. Now, first support जो कैंडल्स को मिलेगा इस क्लाउड की बाउंड्री पे मिलेगा. अगर उसको देखिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्टेबल हुआ, फिर उसके बाद और नीचे जाएगा तो सेकंड सपोर्ट लोअर क्लाउड पे मिलेगा, और अगर उसको इसने इस सपोर्ट को ले लिया, यहां से निफ्टी ऊपर चल पड़ी. राइट? यहाँ पे हमें कहां से और सपोर्ट मिला? MACD से मिला, RSI से मिला, और निफ्टी ऊपर चल पड़ी. और कैन यू सी वन मोर थिंग कि जो क्लाउड था ना, ये ग्रीन था. सो दैट शोड दैट निफ्टी हैज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गोइंग अप. राइट? And that's the scenario over here also. This cloud is green, means it shows that Nifty may go another few points up, right? But at the same time, it is time for us to sit very, very cautiously, because you never know when the Nifty may take a turn and we will just be trapped in a particular ट्रेड, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा कॉशियस होके बैठेंगे ताकि जो हमारी लॉन्ग की पोजीशंस है उनको होल्ड करके रखो. जैसे सो मेनी पीपल हैव बॉट विप्रो, which I suggested, Wipro can be bought at a point, which was when it was just above 200 moving average. So right now you can't see it here, but I suggested some people to buy it around 503 or 504. So it has given a good run up today of about 6-7 points. जो ट्रेड में है वो बने रहे, बट लॉन्ग फ्रेश लॉन्ग ना क्रिएट करे जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि कुछ अभी पता नहीं है. अभी निफ्टी लाइक इनफी जैसे अभी अप था थोड़ी देर पहले, नाउ इट इज सडनली डाउन. लाइक इट्स वन डे ग्राफ, बट इफ यू टेक 15 मिनट्स ग्राफ यू विल सी दैट निफ्टी इनफी अभी ऊपर जा रहा था, सडनली इट्स इन द डाउन ट्रेंड. So you have to be extremely careful. This is the time to watch out your positions. If you are having a long position, hold on to it, watch carefully so that you are not trapped, but don't create any fresh long position. So this is, our trading with Ichimoku and, Heiken Ashi. It's very clean and neat. आपको क्लाउड से सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस मिलेगा, और Heiken Ashi की जो कैंडल्स है उससे आपको ट्रेंड पता लगेगा. ग्रीन कैंडल मीन्स बाइंग above 10 moving average, no issues, just continue being there. Long tails or dojis formation means you have to be cautious. The moment candle leave the 10 moving average in 15 minutes graph, you can short it and wait for it to take a support. If it takes a support, exit your position. If it doesn't, then continue. Like here, it didn't take the support. Continue till again you see RSI MACD crossover and you see the candle leaving the 10 moving average. ये 10 moving average है. यहाँ पे कैंडल्स ने लीव किया, यू कैन बाय द स्टॉक. कंटिन्यू टिल द स्टॉक रियली लीव 10 मूविंग एवरेज, सपोर्ट लेके फिर ऊपर चलता गया. आप देखो, अगर हम इसी को देखते हैं, ये है इनफी 924 से लेके इट हैज गिवन यू अ रन अप टिल 948. फिर यू एग्जिट द स्टॉक द मोमेंट कैंडल्स लीव 10 मूविंग एवरेज, और यू सी दिस रेड कैंडल फॉर्मेशन, or you see these dozy formation, just an MACD RSI crossover, exit your trade, remain exited, do nothing over here. There's no clarity. And then again when the candle leave, you can short. And then again when it takes a support and starts going up, you can buy the trade, right? So this is how Ichimoku and Heiken Ashi can be combined, and you can have a 10 moving average with RSI and MACD. It gives a very neat and clean setup. So there is nothing much to worry about, right? Can you see when we were here, you must have been here, आपको एक cloud बता रहा होगा कि the stock is planning to go up. When you must have been here, it must be this red part telling you that the stock may go down a little bit. Similarly, when you are here, this green part is telling you that the stock may go up, right? Now there is a bit of profit booking that you can see it shows is coming up. This red part shows you, and the candles are also red. It has broken the cloud in the downward direction. So this shows that the stock may be trending in the downward direction, right? So that is what I'm saying, that Nifty में अगर आपने कुछ long positions नहीं किए, then you don't need to create anything new. Remain cautious and hold your positions. If you feel that the stock is good, look at the trend. You can put the Heiken Ashi, or you can put, you can put any of these, indicators, and then decide whether you want to hold or you want to exit. All right. Now quickly let me see what's happening in Philip Carbon. Philip Carbon is little down today, but I really feel, अच्छे stocks में थोड़ा बहुत up and down चलता है, कोई issue नहीं होना चाहिए. Although it has broken all these clouds, so maybe if you are already in the profit, you can book it and enter again when it goes in the upward direction. And if you have not bought it, then you can probably wait for it to show you the clear direction. But अगर आपने खरीद रखा है ना, keep it for the long duration. थोड़ा बहुत up and down doesn't make a difference. I would not sell it. If I have it in my portfolio, I will not sell it. Right? So good day, guys. Try using this. I'm sure it'll give you some very nice good trends. See, this is Flip Carbon ka trend. Can you see? Beautifully up, 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 up. First time it has broken. Right? So all the best, guys, try identifying good stocks, and all the best. Identify good stocks and invest in them. Leave them for a while and then book your profit. Bye bye. Good day.